Hello everyone. RPF Constable 2025 first shift analysis March 2. गणगौर फेस्टिवल is celebrated for how many days? गणगौर फेस्टिवल कितने दिनों तक मनाया जाता है? The answer for this question is 18 days. The Gangor festival is celebrated for 18 days in Rajasthan. It begins on the first day of Chaitra, the day of after Holi. The Karakoram Pass, Natula and Dipu Pass are mountain passes that connect India and China. In India, the 5-year plans were prepared by the Planning Commission. However, this body was replaced by Niti Ayoga in 2015. So currently, the Niti Ayoga is responsible for the formulating the development plans succeed the 5-year plans. 5 years plans were prepared by the Niti Ayoga is the correct answer. Jagannath Puri is associated with which festival? Jagannath Puri किससे संबंधित है? The answer for this question is Rath Yatra. Jagannath Puri is associated with the Rath Yatra or Chariot festival, which is celebrated annually in Puri, Odisha. The Rath Yatra is the most famous festival associated with Jagannath. Which article of the Constitution relates education relate to education? शिक्षा का संबंध किस अनुच्छेद से है? The answer for this question is Article 21A, Article 55, 45. अनुच्छेद 21A and अनुच्छेद 45. Article 21A and 45 of the Constitution of India are related to education. Article 42 is related to अनुच्छेद 42 किससे संबंधित है? The answer for this question is directive principles and humanitarian condition, कर्तव्य निर्देश तत्व और मानवीय परिस्थिति से संबंधित है. Article 42 of the Indian Constitution is about ensuring humane working condition and maternity relief. It's a directive principle of state policy that aims to create social and economic welfare. Which river flow near Malwa Plateau? मालवा पठार के निकट कौन सी नदी बहती है? The answer for this question is Mahi, Parvati, Kshipra, Gambhir. Mahi, Parvati, Kshipra and Gambhir rivers flow near Malwa Plateau. The Mahi, the Chambal, the Betwa, Prabhati, Sipra, Gambhir and Choti Khali Sindh rivers flow near the Malwa Plateau. New Delhi was inaugurated as the capital of India on February 13, 1931 is the correct answer. When New Delhi inaugurated as the capital of India, the answer for this question is February 13, 1931. It was officially declared as the capital of Union of India after India gained independence on August 15, 1947. The Sardar Swaran Singh Committee is related to which amendment? Sardar Swaran Singh समिति का संबंध किससे है? The answer for this question is 42nd Constitutional Amendment. 42nd संवैधानिक संशोधन. The Sardar Swaran Singh Committee is related to 42nd Amendment of the Indian Constitution. The committee was established in 1976 to recommend the fundamental duties for Indian citizens. The recommendations were accepted by the Congress government and enacted in 1976. Which part of the Constitution is related to the Article 12 to 35? अनुच्छेद 12 से 35 किस भाग से संबंधित है? The answer for this question is Part 3 of Indian Constitution. Article 12 to 35 of the Indian Constitution are part 3, which is titled as the Fundamental Rights. These articles guarantee fundamental rights to all citizens of India. Which edition of the India Australia joint military exercise was held? भारत ऑस्ट्रेलिया संयुक्त सैन्य अभ्यास कौन से क्रम का था? The answer for this question is third, तीसरा. India Australia joint military exercise Astra Hind Kamsens in Maharashtra. The third edition of the joint military exercise Astra Hind Kamsent for at foreign trade node Pune in Maharashtra today. The exercise will be conducted from 18 to 21st November 2024. Thank you for watching. These are the key answer analysis of the RPF Constable 2024 first shift analysis March 2nd.